rapid increase in air pollution is causing more damage than we can imagine. It has become a major health hazard and it's a severe threat to our environment. Diesel engine vehicles are one of the reasons behind it. Indian Oil, the energy of India, a global Fortune 500 company, presents IOC Clear Blue, diesel exhaust fluid for better emission control. IOC Clear Blue has been developed by an in-house R&D center in Faridabad. Indian Oil R&D plays a vital role towards the initiative Make in India and thus nation building by developing economically, environmentally and socially responsible technology. Indian Oil proudly owns over 1,000 active patents in India and abroad. IOC Clear Blue is an advanced active emission control fluid. It is injected as a reducing agent in the SCR system, which is part of the exhaust stream of the diesel engine for after treatment of emission. Diesel exhaust fluid sets off a chemical reaction, which converts nitrogen oxide into nitrogen, water and carbon dioxide. IOC Clear Blue can achieve NOx reduction up to 95%, which saves the air from getting polluted. IOC Clear Blue meets ISO 22241 and IS 17042 standards. It is suited for BS6 SCR fitted diesel vehicles of all manufacturers. IOC Clear Blue will be available across Indian Oil outlets. Right from Leh to Kanyakumari, from Kutch to the remotest parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Refill of IOC Clear Blue will be available at selected retail outlets. It is also available for bulk and industrial purchase. Environment protection is a global concern. We, the global citizens, need to come together to protect and preserve it, ensuring health, happiness, and joy. So let's begin this new journey towards a pristine environment with IOC Clear Blue, diesel exhaust fluid for superior emission control. So bring your vehicle today to the Indian Oil petrol pump and fill IOC Clear Blue and start making a difference. Getting rid of polluting emission from diesel vehicles is that easy.